What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. I know you guys have seen that dogs really run this crypto market. When it comes to meme coins, gaming, AI coins, they're all looking for different dog coins. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Dog with Hat, and the list goes on. There's so many dog coins that really run this market. And what you truly need is a cat coin. And I think there are a couple that have been, coming up starting to make a name for themselves. And I want to see one here today that's called Cat Warrior, Solcat, that we can play a game, a P2E game, play to earn game, as well as, just being able to have that overall, cat meme to it that can boost its popularity. Now, right now it is in pre-sale, and we will go through all of the different details, and we will also, this will be the first game that we've ever played on the channel. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that as well. And just go ahead and show you all the information. So if you could, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. You can check out the links for me, and also check out the links at the top of the description for, Solcat and, the game Cat Warrior. Feel free to check those out and, give them a play, research them yourself, and see if it's something that you like, right? I like gaming. Anytime that I play any type of game, I'm very competitive with those games. So I can't wait, to get better kind of at this game and hopefully earn some money as I'm doing it. So anyways, let's go ahead and dive into the website. So we have Solcat here, soulcatwarrior.io. Solcat Warrior, what is it about? Play, win, and earn. Solcat Warrior, play as a Solana cat, fight enemies, collect tokens, and earn rewards. Now we can go in there and play now. We are going to jump into it in a little bit. If you look at their Twitter account, they are, brand new, right? It's still a pre-sale. It's not something to where it has launched and has had a ton of activity so far, but the game is live and you can play that for free. So they have 1,535 followers and they are growing. Let's go ahead and go back to the website and about the game, just to understand it a little bit more. Solcat Warrior invites you to join a thrilling adventure as a Solana-powered feline. Battle enemies, collect tokens, and join a vibrant community. Free to play and packed with rewards. Become the ultimate warrior today. Why WCAT? Free to play. So enjoy the exhilarating adventures of Solcat Warrior without any upfront costs, offering accessible fun for all players. Play to earn. Engage in thrilling battles and collect tokens as you progress. Turning your gaming skills into tangible rewards with every victorious encounter. Easy gameplay. Dive into the action with intuitive controls and straightforward mechanics, ensuring an enjoyable experience for players of all skill levels. NFT boost. Unlock greater rewards with our exclusive NFT boost. Own our NFTs and amplify in your game earnings up to 2x. Super community. Join a vibrant and supportive community of fellow Solcat warriors where camaraderie, collaboration, and competition thrive. Enhancing the gaming experience with shared enthusiasm and camaraderie. So let's go ahead and look at the game. We can click play now. I already have it up at some point right here. I already have it up. So if you want to play it, you would just move forward, move backward. You can go ahead and jump, shoot fireballs, and use your hammer, bring the hammer down. So far, I can say that I'm not really great at the game, but I try to, and we're collecting Solana coins here. I'm gonna go over here, collecting Solana coins. Let me smash this guy and jump up. Did something. Jump, jump, up, jump, jump. And so yeah, it's pretty simple to get through. I just haven't really been good at it so far, but I'm doing better than I did before. So it's good to do better on stream than what I've done off. Or sorry, not on stream. There we go. So I lost all my lives, but it is a fun game to play, and I was able to throw fireballs if I want to. I can throw some fireballs, put the hammer down, use some potions if I do have it. But yeah, I think it's pretty cool, and to be able to play this game and actually get through it. I can't wait to get a little bit better to see what you can earn, the potential that you can earn there. But it's really simple controls, front, back, jump, fireball, hammer. That's pretty much all you need there. So if you want to go and check out the game yourself, go and play the game and see if you like it. Now, I also want to talk about the Pinksale at the moment because we'll go back into the website because it currently is in pre-sale. And right now, if I'm understanding this correctly through Pinksale, you have a starting rate at the moment of 298,000. So it is still like really, really early stages to where you would get into this. You have 1,676 Solana that has been raised, and you have 1,809 contributions. It's up 3,353%, and their max was 50 Solana. They ended up collecting 1,676 Solana. So 3,000% over what they wanted to collect, which is just absolutely amazing. They also have Bitmart listing confirmed, so you're going to have some more exchanges, some more popularity, some more growth. People are playing the game as of right now. CMC and CoinGecko fast tracking, which you're going to have YouTube marketing. You have all types of positivity that's going with this position that honestly is giving me vibes of being very, very popular. So feel free to go ahead and check that out. They're currently number 5, right? You have WCAT number 5 on Pinksale. So they're definitely seeing a level of popularity right now that would interest a lot of people. So let's continue to go into the website. You have the pre-sale. We did just talk about that. Mint your exclusive like NFT collection and supercharge your gameplay experience with 3 tiers to choose from: basic, rare, and epic. Each NFT unlocks increasingly powerful boosts in game. Enjoy rewards and dominate the battlefield like never before. So you can check that out. Also, tokenomics here. So let's see how much goes to it. I guess you would have, I don't know, about 30%. I don't really know the full percentages, but you have 50% that goes to pre-sale, about 25% that goes to liquidity, and then you'll have maybe, let's say it's 10% that goes to development, and then it's around, can't do math right now. Let's say it's 5%, 10%, and then you have another 15% that goes towards play to earn rewards or something like that. So you have phase 1, community building, tracking, contract creation, game release, aggressive marketing, Pinksale fair launch, which is coming up, launch on Radium, a CMC and CG listing, CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap listing, 1,000 holders, strategic partnerships, Twitch partnership, phase 3, NFT release, tier 2 CEX listing, developing the game and add more functions, 10,000 holders. Phase 4, 20,000 holders, tier 1 exchange. So they have everything listed to what they want to do there. So feel free to go ahead and check this out. Honestly, the game looks pretty cool. I'm probably going to play the game after I get off of here. I'm going to play it for a little bit, see if I can get a little bit better. But then also, I'm going to go ahead and explore the pre-sale a little bit more. I want you guys to take it and look at everything they have. Go in there and look at their white paper. You can look at everything that I've seen. You can go and play the game to see if you like it. And you only really want to invest into something that you would like to play or use or do. So this is one of those things. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this play down below. We need some cats in this space that's kind of controlled by dogs, so feel free to explore it a little bit more, explore cat coins. So, guys, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.